Hi guys. I'm mad because my parents won't let me play with my friend. But happy Vlogmas Day 5.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 4. Wait, no, today's Vlogmas Day 5. Number 5. We had some big plans this morning. We were gonna go to Miami Beach to do some Art Basel events and things like that. But then it took me 2 hours to upload Vlogmas Day 4 because my computer didn't have enough space, and so I had to clear space and resave it. And anyway, it took a super long time, so we've just been chilling and I've been working on this. Blake's been playing some 2K, and anyway, I'm not sure what we're gonna do now. We have plans tonight to go look at Christmas lights, but I'm not sure.
Someone likes to cancel a family night.
But oh my gosh, look at my hair. But I'm not sure what we are gonna do until then. So should be a fun-filled day. I'm also going to open my advent calendar. Alright, let's see what I got. 5 lives! Oh my goodness. Time to play lots of emoji blitz. Alright guys, here's my OOTD. I still need to do my makeup and my hair kind of needs to be curled. It's kind of a mess, but I just took a Christmas ribbon and I tied it around my hair for festive effect. And then this entire outfit was purchased from Goodwill. So this shirt was from Goodwill. It's originally from Old Navy. Same thing with this. This shirt's actually kind of wrinkled. I should probably throw it in the dryer, but whatever. And then this skirt was originally from Old Navy. I bought it from Goodwill with the tag still on it for like $3. And then I have tights, and then I'm gonna put on some boots, and we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. But it's only like 4:30, so we're just gonna be chilling until then, and then we will be heading out. Juno, you wanna say hi to the vlog today? Say hi! Aw, you're so cute, Juno. Guys, how much does Scooby look like the Taco Bell dog? Scooby! Look at me over here. I think he looks so much like the Taco Bell dog. Scooby-Doo! Scooby! Taco Bell? Yo quiero Taco Bell! So I'm just chilling here. Still haven't done my makeup, but I'm gonna do it before we leave soon because we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. But it's still pretty sunny outside, so it's not the time yet. Just chilling with Scoobs. By the way, Scooby is not my dog. When I filmed my Thanksgiving lookbook, people were like, "Your dog is so cute," and I was like, "Thanks," but he's not my dog. He's my dad and my stepmom's dog. They rescued him from he was supposed to be euthanized a couple of days later or something like that. And he's a little terror. I tried filming him earlier and he peed on our bed. I'll put that in right now. I feel like I need to do an official introduction to all the dogs in this house because you're literally looking at his bun. Because we literally have 5 dogs. But hey! Scooby! He's a little terror, but we still love him. He likes to pee on everything. He has anxiety, but we love our Scooby. Huh? Yo quiero Taco Bell? He's distracted by the noises outside. Ooh, ugly sweater, kid. Look at those snowman lights. Oh my gosh. I have pumpkins already, but those are really cute because they're glittery. Oh my gosh. Just pass. Shine bright, shine hard. Be a star. jumbo stickies. What? That's cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, actually, I don't really like those colors that much. I thought they were gonna be way prettier. Oh wait, here's a unicorn eyeshadow palette. Those are pretty. Wow. Over the rainbow glow. Wow, there's a lot of... Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Do you want to smell? Florida when there's bathing suits out and it's December and a whole section of flip-flops. Gosh guys, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do with myself because I wanted one of these so bad last year and they were sold out. Now which one do I pick? This is my weakness every time I come to Target. How can you resist these freaking socks? So you just want to get in and get out, huh? You don't want to browse around?
Well, I was waiting for you.
I need to ask your permission if I can buy something.
What is that?
Well, this you already said I could get. It's the 12 days of socks.
What is the other thing? Game of Thrones something I see.
That's the 12 days of socks.
Game of Thrones?
Game of Thrones socks.
Oh, really?
Isn't that cool?
Oh, yeah, that's sick.
Okay, but the second, wait, can you hold this? Keep it pointed at your face.
At my face?
Yeah. Well, you can point it at me. It doesn't matter. I was just wondering if I could get these slippers.
Oh my gosh.
Because I really need slippers, and look how cute they are.
Alright, yes, you can get them. They're pretty
They're
cute.
only $8.
They're cute. But now you have to... Oh, I was filming upside down. Oops. Sorry, fam. That's what they look like. They're cute.
They're so cute. I just want to point out the fact that every time we come to Target, you refuse to come. And then, as soon as we get here, you're like, oh my gosh, look at this, look at this, look at this. You literally are fake Target hater.
Not.
How flipping cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, I forgot to update you guys, but we decided to not go look at Christmas lights because it's only December 5th. Which, if you don't have your Christmas lights up yet, shame on you because it is Christmas season. But we thought that people probably... We decided not to go look at the lights because if people hadn't put them out yet, it would just be like a waste of our time to kind of be like looking for lights that are not up yet. So we decided to stay home and we're going to go look at Christmas lights in a couple weeks. And instead, we are going to make Nala and Juno puppy paw print ornaments. And we're going to decorate their stockings because we got, Jaja bought Chris. I can't talk. She bought Christmas stockings from the dollar store, but we want to put Nala and Juno's name on them because they're the same. So that way they have their own special stocking. So these are the two stockings. They're completely identical, which is why we want to put, I think we're going to put their names right here, which I think will be really cute. And maybe we'll decorate it some more with some glitter and some designs and stuff. Maybe we could put paw prints down here at the bottom. That'd be really cute. And then we're also going to do their ornaments. And I think it's going to be so cute. My boobs look ginormous from this angle.
Is this going to be louder?
How about we put it this way?
That one. I don't know what that is.
There we go. Alright guys, here's my completed stocking. Not sure if I'm very happy with my letters, but hey, they work. I'm sure Nala's not gonna care. My spacing is a little off, but the paw prints came out pretty good. I think it looks pretty good all together, so I'm happy about this. Okay, I just added these little red hearts and I think it looks much cuter now. Perfect stocking for Nolly. Alright guys.
I wouldn't talk with food in your mouth.
Mom. So here are the ingredients we're going to use to make our puppy paw print ornaments. So we have what looks like a cup of water, a cup of salt, and 2 cups of flour. And we're gonna mix it all together and we're gonna make the most beautiful ornaments in the world. Good girl. Not you, Juno. Your mom's gonna do it.
She put her paw on Juno.
Give me a high five.
Juno.
Good girl. Oh.
Juno.
Juno's gonna
Look,
eat
Juno,
it.
here. Come here.
Oh. Aww.
It's so freaking big.
It's massive.
That's crazy.
Wait, I think I need to do it again because it didn't really indent very well. Hold on.
No, Nala. She's killing it.
Oh, you're being so good.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay, baby.
No, biscuit.
She's like, do I eat it? Look, there's teeth marks.
You should leave that on for character.
Should I?
Yeah.
Juno's trying to eat it. Now we got
So
3 of her
small.
clothes.
Come here. Sit. What a good girl.
Come here, Juno.
Juno, you can't eat it. Now let's sit. Now let's sit. Come on, sit. This is such a mission. Now let's sit. Sit.
Juno, come here.
Sit. Good girl. Give me your paw. Give me your paw.
Juno.
Good girl. Okay, ready? That's my good girl. That's my good girl. Come on, it's okay. Oh, nuts. Sit down. Sit. Can you give me a piece of cheese from the fridge? Without cheese? They're both trying to eat my dough ball.
This did not come out right.
Okay.
Do this one again.
Ready? Can you sit? Sit down. Sit. Good. Give me your paw. Good girl. No, Juno. Every time.
Juno.
Every time. Sit, Nala. Good girl. Give me your paw. Good girl.
Come here, Juno.
Okay, we're going to do it really quick. Ready? What a good girl.
Got
What a
it,
good girl.
What are you doing? You get it?
Yay! We did it, Nala. Alright, guys. So, this is what Nala's little paw print looks like. It's very, very cute. And then I'll probably put Nala's first Christmas right here, 2018. I think it's so adorable. Can you guys believe she's only like 11 months old? She hasn't even known another year besides 2018. Uh-oh. Scooby's not happy with his paw print. But anyway, so cute.
So much to discover. I do it all the time. I could live inside bright pages where the words all rhyme. Hiya, Belle.
So we baked them in the oven at 250 degrees for about 2.5 hours, and now they are solid. Thinking they're looking so cute, and once they're like cool, I'll be probably writing on it and adding ribbon tomorrow, but it's like 12:30 at night, so that will be happening on tomorrow's Vlogmas, so stay tuned for the final product. But oh my gosh, that's Nala's little footprint. She's so cute. Here's Juno, and oh no, wait, this one's Juno, I believe, and this one is Biscuit, and then we have Gus Gus and Scooby. So cute. so you can see my family is knocked out. So I'm just gonna take my vitamins real quick and then I'm gonna head to bed with them. She is so sleepy, so sleepy. Little girl, so cutie. All right, let's see what my vitamins say today. So it says, it just says we're here to help, that you can email us or call us if you need anything. Not too exciting today, but that's okay. Sheets on the bed because Scooby peed on ours, and Nala is definitely enjoying being all cuddled up in bed. Aw, such a good girl. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching today's vlog. I'm so thankful for all of your support, whether you like, comment, share, are subscribed, or whether you're simply watching. I'm very thankful for you. Let me take this out real quick. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful festive Christmas season so far, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Bye guys, happy Vlogmas Day 5.